Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing of my Fab Fit Fun box for winter. This is a massive box and it feels very light, almost like there's nothing in it. So we'll take a look. I did get to customize some of the items, but it's been a while and I don't remember what I picked. So we're gonna find out together. Hold on. They always give you this little magazine on the inside that goes over the products. It used to tell you the value of everything, but I don't think it doesn't for a while. I don't think it has. But anyways, there's a recipe, some fun stuff in there. All right, Raylan, go ahead. All right, the first thing, I think I did pick this. It's a mini humidifier by Icon Beauty. Hydrates the air, has 2 LED modes, battery, USB powered, adjustable mist.
Ooh.
I know, I like that.
That sounds awesome.
We've been using those a lot in the house because it's just so dry.
The next item.
All right, this is lifting treatment mask. Let's FaceTime, it says. Lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates. That's pretty cool.
I'll just grab the next
I like the packaging. That's what that looks like. What'd you pick?
This one.
This is Alo Glow System Mega Seat Body Wash. I feel like I get a lot of body wash from FabFitFun, but I'm okay with that. Because I have subscriptions like that and like Ipsy, I feel like I never have to buy personal items like that.
Ooh.
So yeah, that's a big container of that. Some body wash. All right, what's next? This one. This is mini Icy Globes. Huh.
Sounds interesting.
It says it stimulates blood circulation, helps depuff the face and eye area. So you just glide it over your face. Huh. I feel like I have seen that like online, but definitely never used anything like that before.
Here's a big one.
What is that? This fancy little container. Ooh. It's all glittery and liquid. That's fun. See, I'm a sucker for packaging, so typically this is not something I'd use, but I'm going to use it because it's pretty. Is that the last thing in the box?
No.
No, there's one more. Hold on. Let's get to the little thing first. Oh, Too Faced. I do think I selected this one. Better Than Sex Mascara. I love Too Faced products, so that's a full size of that. All right. And what is this? Oh, I think this is for the car. Let's go ahead and open that. So this is a expandable car organizer. I got some of these for my mom and she likes them, but I haven't used any for my personal vehicle. But it collapses, but then it also expands out into 3 different sections. It's pretty big. Again, not fitting on camera. Perhaps that's a better view. It's pretty big. And then there's some mesh pockets on the inside. I like that. Very cool. So I love this subscription. I always have. I feel like the past year or so, like the boxes are smaller. Maybe the value's still there, but oh man, you used to just get tons of stuff in there. So I don't know. Let me know if you think that as well, if you've noticed changes with this box. Like I said, still love it, and we'll continue probably to get it for a while. And if you guys would like to join and sign up for a subscription, I will put a link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.